Welcome back to Diane's Kitchen. My name is Giovanni Torres and I will be substituting for my mother today. Today we're going to be making brownies. These brownies are my family's most favorite brownie recipe. And here are the ingredients. So we're going to need vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, butter, salt, sugar, some chocolate chips, some cocoa powder, some walnuts. These are optional, but they go way better with them. And some all-purpose flour. So first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to preheat the oven by 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So after we preheat our oven, we're going to melt the butter. I'm going to hand this off to my beautiful assistant, the microwave. We are going to microwave it for 30 seconds. So now that the butter is melted, we're going to place it in a large bowl. We're then going to add our sugar in there. Now we are going to whisk it by hand until all of the sugar dissolves. 10 more seconds. So now that the sugar has dissolved, we are going to need 2 eggs and vanilla extract. Hard to open. This is hard to open. Dang. Okay, no, keep on going. Okay, so now that we have finally opened this, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1, 2. And now we're going to whisk it for about another minute. After we've done mixing this, we are going to get half a cup of milk chocolate and we are going to microwave it for 45 seconds or just until it melts. Be careful with this part, it's hot. The chocolate's very hot. Okay. Dang, that's hot. Aye. Bro, that's hot. Did I just grab it like this? Okay. So once the chocolate's finished melting, shout outs to our beautiful microwave, we are going to add the chocolate into the mixture. So when we're done with that, we're going to add in our salt and our flour. We are then going to have to whisk it again. So after we do that, we're going to need to grab a pan. I put in parchment paper so the brownies wouldn't stick on the pan. Now we just need to pour the mixture in. So now that we have poured our mixture in here, we're going to give it a nice slam. I learned this from my mother in her macaron video, which I highly recommend you go watch. You know what? You know what time it is? It's sexy time. Right, you know what's going down. We're going to get some chocolate chips. We're going to sprinkle it in there. And I want you to sprinkle it just all around. You know, just have fun with it. And if you really want to get fancy, you could add in some white chocolate chip. Yeah. Just throw that around. Everywhere. You want to cover it. Okay. This is optional, but you could use walnuts. I personally prefer walnuts. It just makes it 20 times better. We're gonna crunch it up in our hands and sprinkle them out just like that. How about a bit more? Yeah. You don't want them to be too big. Just a nice small size. So now that we have finished decorating our brownies, it is time for them to go into the oven. We are going to leave them in there for about 30 minutes. Now that the time is up, we are going to pull the brownies out of the oven. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. As you can see, this is clearly a masterpiece. Before we start digging in, we need to let it cool for about 15 to 30 minutes. Now this is the final product we have. These brownies, I couldn't wait for them to cool down because they just smelled so good. So we're going to try one right now. Let's grab this piece. It's creamy. It's fudgy. The walnut really helps out with the texture, having that crunch in there. And I'd feel like it would go well with a glass of milk. But yeah, overall, these brownies are amazing. I would definitely recommend this to anybody who I come across that loves brownies. I would share this recipe with them. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell. Make sure to share this video too, because this recipe you can't miss out. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Are you recording me eat? What's wrong with that? We are good.